Lei Ho Ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Wil Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. I cannot believe that this cooking show is now at 500,000 subscribers. That really is incredible. But in all seriousness, what's more incredible is the amount of work and effort involved in producing new episodes every single week. I mean, sometimes I have to chop veggies on the right side of the camera. Other times I have to chop fruit on the left side of the camera. Almost every week I have to stir fry stuff until it's caramelized. And sometimes I even need to boil water. Remember that episode where the veggie ramen broth had to simmer for 2 hours? I ended up binge watching this Asian dude on YouTube just to pass the time. Or that episode where I had to try that creamy, savory ramen recipe with complex flavors and textures. That was an experience. But despite the laborious workflow, this cooking show would not be possible without the amazing Young Men Cooking team. There's the director, Wil Yeung, the producer, Wil Yeung, the cameraman, Yeung, the wardrobe designer, Wil Yeung, the product fulfillment guy, Wil Yeung, the video editor, Yeung, the voice of Wil Yeung, medium heat, and there's me, Wil Yeung. That is incredible. I hope you enjoyed today's special episode, and it's not only special because of the channel reaching 500,000 subscribers, but especially because the incredible comments that I see every single day about how this cooking show has left some sort of positive impact in your everyday life. The premise of this humble cooking show is to be kind, non-judgmental, inclusive, and simply just about cooking plant-based food together. So truly that means a lot. There are a lot of new ideas and concepts on the list of things to film, so definitely stay tuned. I hope you're keeping well and cooking well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode. And sometimes I even need to boil water.